Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be opening 10 packs of the Attax 101 right here. So let's just get straight into it. I'm not going to bore any of you. Right, so I'm actually going to show the codes this time, so just take them if you want that. There we go. At least I'll try and remember to show them. We've got a golden moment for Chelsea Europa League winners. Got Neuer, Cuckoo, or Choo Choo, I don't know. Varane, Jota, Henderson, and a Thiago Silva World Star. Oh, that's the code I nearly forgot to show you, but here we got an Oblak, Dembele, Depay, Maitland-Niles, Muriel, Escudero, and Ronaldo on the collector's team there. We got one of these things. I don't know how often you get them, but whatever. There's the code. And we've got a Raheem Sterling 100 Club. As you can see, number 8 on the index there. We've got Alcantara, Kevin De Bruyne, Brandt, Koulibaly, Diaz, and Jorginho World Star. We've got Serge Gnabry, Messi collector's team, Mbappe collector's team, Matteo, Under, Tammy Abraham, and Raul. I didn't show the code for the last pack, I'm sorry, I've lost it, I can't be asked to find it, but I'm sure we'll survive. We've got João Felix, David Alaba, Kylian Mbappe, Alderweireld, Koke, Torres, and Brozovic. Okay, we're halfway through. I'll just hold it up so you can see it for a bit. We've got Lazio golden moment, Fernandinho, Onana, Jovic, Jimenez, Salah, and Casemiro. We've got Mohamed Salah, which is a 100 club. I don't know if you call them 100 clubs. Top 10 100 clubs. I'll just call them 100 clubs. Chris Smalling, Angel, Vinicius Jr., Patricio, Van Dijk, and Toni Kroos. We got Hazard, that's annoying, number 11, Eden Hazard. Lenglet, Mahrez, Martinelli, Poulsen, Vargas, and Munir. Oh, whoops. So we got Pepe golden moment, Perisic, Gueye, Aubameyang, Dzeko, Jene, and Edison World Star. And last packet now. I never get anything good in the last packs of videos, I've noticed. Hey, there we go. I actually got something good. We got De Bruyne, the third 100 club of this video. So that is some solid clickbait for the title. Even though it's true, so it's technically not clickbait, but you know what I mean. But there he is. Messi, Cavani, Pepe, Promes, Mata, and Lucas Moura to finish off the opening. So, hold on, I just need to find the 300 clubs because I've slapped them all together. No, I don't know where they are. There we go. 300 clubs in this unboxing. That's a thumbnail right there, but sadly I don't do thumbnails. But yeah, we got 300 clubs in this opening, so thank you all for watching this video, and I will see you all very soon. Goodbye.